Everyone, in today's video we will see best LG monitor color setting, brightness, contrast, gamma, sRGB and calibration guide. The Firstly we will see best LG monitor color settings. So press the joystick or menu button on your monitor, then open the settings and picture menu for the basic settings. Then set brightness to 60 to 70% and adjust based on your room light. Then set contrast to 70 to 75 and keep color balanced. After that we will see color mode and sRGB. So go to the picture mode, select sRGB best for accurate color, the gamma settings, and then find gamma option and set gamma to mode 2 or 2.2 if available. Now at last we will see color temperature. So go to the color temperature and choose warm or 6500 OK natural color. Then after you can fine tuning, it's optional, and then adjust the red, green and blue, the RGB slightly if needed, and keep values close to default for the best accuracy. Goodbye.